Today we have a 1983 V8 Vantage, commonly known as a BBS era car. It is pre-X-Pac. Some people prefer them as they have the earlier flares. It has been restored by Auto Performance, which is Aston Martin Paris and Aston Martin Bordeaux. And we're going to take it for a ride, show you how great V8 Vantages are. And I'm prejudiced because I own two of different variants. And unlike the different variants of COVID, but still different variants. And after we're done, I think I might have myself a glass of Bordeaux. So we'll be back. Alrighty, so we are warming the Vantage up, and we're going to put the AC on because it is 80 some odd degrees, and the AC does work really well in here. This V8 was originally delivered to Kuwait, but as a left-hand drive, I'm not sure it ever went to Kuwait. It may have stayed in England. It was then sold off to Sweden, then Italy, and then France. It's got 53,000 original kilometers, which is 32,000 miles, and maybe it's got 1,000 to 1,500 miles on a full restoration done by Aston Martin or Auto Performance Aston Martin Paris or Bordeaux, both owned by the same family. And it is about as new as you will get. It's not the norm to see one that's Crusader white with white leather, but this was its original color combination. Also the reason why we put black seat covers on here, so that the next owner or the next new owner or the person who would like to be the next new owner, if they would like to be the first ones to sit in immaculate white seats, it is up to them. What else can I tell you? We'll let it warm up a little bit and then we'll be right back to you. And as we always say, we're not going to go Mach 5. We're going to just talk about the Aston because they are my favorites. It is without a doubt the ultimate British muscle car. Very rare in the United States to have a full spec Vantage, especially in the 80s. It has Aston's smaller diameter factory wheel, which is a sport steering wheel. It was originally a 5-speed manual with a ZF gearbox from the factory. The AC is blowing cold, which we'll turn down a little bit. It will sit in traffic all day long. It has a hand wing kit, which is uprated, a Harvey Bailey hand wing kit that was done during its restoration. And I don't really know what else to tell you other than it is pretty special. It is not the norm. We're going to cruise to where we will let Armand out for our flybys. We'll take a couple of curvier roads on the way back to show how it handles for a big car, which does not seem big once you're in it and when you're actually going through the corners. And then the farm road to, as the English say, thump it quickly and see how it goes. And I will tell you, it goes well. Well, we've done our flybys. She is definitely all warmed up. She is really, really an excellent car. Extremely fast. And when we said we were going to show you what it was like through the twisties, I mean, it is a big car that doesn't feel like a big car. Paul Frere, an old French racing driver, actually labeled the very first V8 Vantage a civilized Ferrari Daytona. So that should, for all you Ferrari guys, that should tell you a little bit about the muscle that the V8 Vantage does have. And again, it was England's first supercar and the world's fastest car at the time in 1977. So, I hope you like it. We're going to go to the farm road, thump it a little bit, and then we are going to put it in the showroom where it will be hermetically sealed until someone is interested in giving it a new and proper home. So I hope you're enjoying the video today. I know I'm enjoying driving it, and but I have one, and I enjoyed driving it 2 hours last night on the way home. So they're awesome, 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 and I am extremely prejudiced because they are awesome, awesome, awesome. So it's just everything you see. It's the coolest British muscle car in the world as far as I'm concerned, and that's why I like to trade in them. That's like why we like to restore them. That's like why we like to service them, and it's like why we like to give them the special cars to proper homes that will appreciate them. So we're on our farm road, showing you as we normally do that you can drive this as elegantly as possible. It's great around town. It'll sit in traffic. It'll cruise all day long on the highways and byways and autobahns of Europe and autostradas and M1 before it had traffic cameras, but it goes like hell. So here's third, here's second. She goes great, she brakes well, she tracks well. They're just special cars in every sense of the word. So I hope anyone who's interested does contact us. Again, it is just a special V8 Vantage that is as new, if not better, given the handling kit and various upgrades. So back in the showroom she goes.